Hello everyone. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. This is where we nurture nature. If you watch our videos, then we will show you what we get up to in our garden. We've got an allotment area where we grow all our vegetables, and then we've got some flower beds we're trying to re-establish, and we're doing a project in our front garden as well. So if you want to watch all of our projects and see what we get up to and see what we're planting this year, then tune in. We put out a video every Sunday and Wednesday at 7 o'clock, but also I post on my Instagram account, so please check that out as well. All the links are in the description below. So this is our front wall, and today this wall is going to come down so that we can build a new one. So we've got to get all the bricks onto the baseboards here so the grab lorry can take it away. So that's our job today. So we have a pile of bricks here from the pillar of our wall that we took down a few months ago now, and we just stored it around here because we knew that we were going to have to grab load the grab lorry for the rest of the wall. So we're going to move it back to the front so that all the bricks can go together. I've had a little bit of a clear up round here. This is where all the bricks were, so I've cleared that and swept that. And I've got a pile of things here that needs to go either to the dump or to be burnt. This needs to go. This is an old tree stump from up the garden. And then we've got a pile of things that we're going to keep up here. And there we go. That looks a lot better. All clean and tidy. Not a bad start to taking the wall down. I reckon we're about a third, maybe. Nearly halfway. We'll do some more tomorrow, and hopefully this weekend we can get it all down. So it's the next day and we've still got a few jobs to do. Still got lots of clearing to do and sweeping up, some weeding, tidying up. But those are all things we can do now while we're not focusing so much on the growing. I want to harvest some beetroot and some more red cabbage. I want to make some more coleslaw. And I think we've got a few other jobs to do, some watering in the greenhouse, and I want to prune our rosebush. Let's do that one.
No, it's flower. It's flower. It's flower. It's fun.
Yeah, it's fun. Yeah, you gonna water? George, you gonna have a go? It's a shell. Found a shell. You gonna? Will you water then?
I water.
Can you pick it up? Oh! The end fell off. Right, ready? Try again. This one? I've just seen a little robin in one of our pots. I don't think I've seen a robin this year so far. I mean, even before Christmas. Hello. Which reminds me, I must give them more food. We've got a bird feeder here, but it's gone a bit mouldy, so we need to sort that out. There he is. Oh, look. He's gone. He's gone. This here is a David Austin rose. It's called Lark Ascending, and it has glorious sort of pink, peachy flowers. It's a few years old now, and I have to admit, dare I say it, I've never pruned it. Naughty. So today is the day. I have read up on David Austin's pruning advice, so I'm going to give it a go, and we'll see how it turns out. So the advice is to prune after the first flowering, which I didn't do, and to prune now, sort of January, February time. Oh, I'm going to need gloves because these are very prickly. Just to trim them back by half. Half seems quite drastic. Well, we'll have a go and see what happens. Yes, don't touch it because it's not a flower. That's a rose hip. Yeah, good boy. There is a ball. There's a golf ball. There are always golf balls in our garden, aren't there? Golf balls everywhere. Don't touch it. Spiky. Sharp, George. There's sharp spikes here. I'm just trying to find a bud here. That's a bit drastic. Right, that's half of it done. If you've got any tips for me, let me know. If I'm doing it wrong, well, it's too late, but tell me so I can learn for the next time. Because I think that's all gardening is trying something, having a go, and learning from your mistakes, because I make a lot of mistakes in my garden. But we try again. There's always the next year. Well, I'm giving it a go. I'm not sure if that's right, but time will tell. Yeah. That's it. And more. And more. And more. And more. Oh. No. That's it. We're done. All done. All done. Birdie's fed. It's Birdie. Dinner. That's one. Birdie's dinner. It's Birdie. So last week I cleared this bed. There are still some leaves on I want to get off, and I want to tidy up all around these beds here. I want to get all these leaves up, sweep all the paths. We've got some beetroot we can harvest in there. So I've weeded a little bit and cleared up the last of the leaves of this bed. In fact, all that I've done is made a lovely, nice, new, clean patch ready for the cats to poo on it. We'll have to put some things on top, like we have here. All these are on top of the bed so that cats don't get in and poo on them. So I'll have to find some more things. I've got some wood I can put on, and I've got rid of all the leaves down here. I'm pretty sure these are all weeds, but I'll just make sure before I pull them out. And I've swept the paths a little bit. I've still got loads to do up here and around here, but it's a start. I've cleared the pond because there were loads of leaves in there, and I've just left all the leaves there just in case there's any wildlife that can crawl back in. I think that's it for today. The light is fading and George wants to go in, so I think I've done quite a few jobs today. If you enjoyed this video and you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel to support us, and we will see you again on Sunday. Bye.